So I'm going to be demonstrating the double scoop game that is teaching and helping kids practice inflectional endings of words in the syllable and affixes stage. So in this game, I have the game set up. This can be played by 2 to 4 players. In this case, I'm just going to demonstrate what it would be like if 2 players played. I've got my game board here. I've got my sheet that the students are going to be writing their responses on, and this will be used, all students will use the same board, whether they will be determining if it's a double consonant inflectional ending, an E drop, or a no change inflectional ending. I've got a couple of pieces that can be used as game pieces. It doesn't matter what those are as long as they're markers on the game board. I have a dice. You could also use 2 dice if you want the game to move faster, and of course a pencil. And then the last thing you need is these sentence cards. In these sentence cards, there is a word that is the word that has the change from a base word to a word with an inflectional ending. Those are underlined. One student will read the card, the other student will write down the answer on the paper. And so they will read the card and then they will read the underlined word again. So they don't show this to the other student. I'm just showing you what it looks like. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to play the game using these cards. These will be face down on the table. One student will pick up a card and read it. Allison grabbed the apple to eat. Allison grabbed the apple to eat. Grabbed. The other student has to determine, is grabbed a double consonant inflectional ending, an E drop, or a no change? Grabbed, they would determine, is a double consonant because the base word is grab and they're doubling the consonant and adding an ED. They would write that on there. If that is correct and matches the sentence when they compare them, then that student rolls the dice. They got a 3 and they move their token 1, 2, 3 spaces, and it's the other person's turn. Now the person who just wrote down the word is now the reader. It's going to read the word, the sentence. I was hoping to get new shoes. I was hoping to get new shoes. Hoping. All right. Now the other student is listening to the word hoping, determining is it double consonant, E drop, or no change, would say that is the base word is hope, and that's an E drop. Write it on the E drop section. They would compare. Yep, that's correct. Roll the dice, and they got a 6. I don't know if you can see that. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it would go on so on back and forth until somebody gets to the end and gets their double scoop of ice cream. So there are words in these sentence strips that are all examples, including double consonant with ED, double consonant with ING, E drop with both ED and ING, and no change with ED and ING, so that they have all possible examples of what could work while they're playing the game, of what they have to determine. And that is a double scoop.